In this tutorial, we will learn how to exclude specific files or folders from the Plesk backup. In the Websites and Domains interface of your Plesk account, click on the Backup Manager icon. Click on the Backup option button. We wish to make a full backup, click on the Options button Full. Click to check the box to exclude specific files from the backup. In this input box, enter the path of the file you wish to exclude, such as /http://directory/filename.jpg. In case you wish to exclude a whole directory, enter the path of the directory such as /http://images. To exclude only specific extensions such as PNG, enter /http://images/**.png. If you wish to receive a notification email, click to check this box and enter the email address here. Now click on the OK button. The backup has been generated successfully. Thank you for watching.